Ooh, so I received something today which I'm super excited about. This is the new Typecast typewriter from We Are Memory Keepers. This is the black one, which is going to be, they're going to be exclusive to Michael's until around about mid-October this year, after which they're going to be released to all retailers. And I'm so excited. I can't wait. I need to open it, so I will quickly take it out and then we can have a closer look. So as you can see, I've taken it out. This black suits my workspace really beautifully. It's got like a matte finish. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited to try it out. It comes really well packaged in the box. It's also got a full set of instructions, which I'm gonna go through as soon as possible. It's also got some few important notes to make sure. So obviously you want to follow these safety instructions just to make sure that the product operates the way it should do. You can see it's got like a little test, it's a bit of a wonky camera, a little test sheet in there just to make sure that all the letters work. So I would assume we just pop that one out. And what's really exciting, this is a total game changer for me, it's not that I don't want a journal, but sometimes you think to yourself, oh, you really need to go and set up the printer. The typewriter takes a full 12 by 12 sheet. Zoom that out a bit, as you can see. So now we can just go ahead and journal directly onto our page, which is super duper exciting. It also comes with a a full range of accessories, which I'm going to be going through in the next little video. So yep, that's the new typewriter. Old is new. It is awesome. No more hunting around in op shops. You can grab one of these from Michael's. And there are going to be a few other colors, which is really exciting as well.